Good morning, students. Till now, we have covered chapter number 1 related to your number system and your rational numbers. Now, today I am going to start with polynomials. And students, if you have any doubt regarding number system, the earlier chapter that we have covered recently, so you can ask me that queries, that doubts in any Zoom session or any other later session. But for that, you must need to watch those videos that we are uploading in the Ursal. Okay, and you also need to submit your homework. And I just request you all do attend Zoom meetings. Okay, because these are especially the doubt sessions for you only. Okay, so now today I'm going to start with polynomials. Okay, so what are polynomials? Poly means many, बहुत सारा, many. Polynomials, बहुत सारी terms, many terms. Now before explaining you what our polynomials actually are, I hope that you must have aware about these expressions, these algebraic expressions, a plus x plus a whole square, x, let's say x, or I just take y. Okay, x and y. I just take x and y, and I hope you all are aware about these algebraic expressions, which are also known as polynomials in two variables. Okay, so x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, x square plus y square minus 2xy, and x square minus y square can be written as x plus y and x minus y. I think this up to this thing it is clear to you all. Now, what are these? I mean, what is x, what is y, what are these expression mean to you, right? So these all are algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, or I can say polynomials in two variables. So these are polynomials in two variables. Now when I am saying that these are polynomials in two variables, polynomial means, see, what I have told you that x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. And now what I'm saying is these are polynomials in two variables. Why I'm saying that these polynomials are in two variables? Because one variable is x and the other variable is y. Now the question arises, what are variables? What are variables? So variables are those, you can say variables are those whose values get changed. ठीक है, वेरिएबल्स वो होते हैं बेटा जिनकी जो वैल्यूज होती है वो चेंज होती है. लेट्स से आई एम जस्ट आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. लेट्स से अभी मे बी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को ये चीज़ पता होगी, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ आई थिंक कि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मे बी डोंट नो दिस फॉर्मूला, द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. I'm just giving you an example of variables. So let's say perimeter of square is 4 into side, right? Now 4 is a constant. I'm saying that 4 is a constant because its value remains same as it is equals to 4. मैंने कहा जो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर होता है बेटा वो इज इक्वल टू द 4 इंटू साइड. नाउ जो 4 है, 4 इज अ न्यूमरल एंड बेटा जो उसकी वैल्यू रहेगी कांस्टेंट रहेगी ना 4. अगर अभी इस सुबह के टाइम पे अगर 4 है, इवन तो दिन के टाइम पे भी 4 ही रहेगा, शाम के टाइम पे भी 4 ही रहेगा. जब कभी भी आप पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर पढ़ेंगे जो 4 है वो एज इट इज ही रहेगा. बट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड इज चेंजेबल, और यू कैन से वेरिएबल. बट जो बेटा द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड, जो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर में जो साइड है ये चेंज हो सकता है बेटा. लेट्स से आई हैव अ स्क्वायर ऑफ साइड 2 सेंटीमीटर्स, लेट्स से आई हैव अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 किलोमीटर्स. सो यहाँ पे बेटा जो साइड होगा वो चेंज होता रहेगा टाइम के साथ. सो दैट्स वाई दोज क्वांटिटीज विच आर चेंजिंग विद टाइम वी कैन से द टर्म्स आर नोन एज वेरिएबल्स. वेरिएबल्स क्या होते हैं बेटा, जो कि चेंज हो रहे हैं, जिनकी जो वैल्यू है वो कांस्टेंट नहीं है, लाइक 4. ओके, सो these are the variables. So x and y, so in these algebraic expressions the value of x and y can be changed. Okay, please note it down fast up to this point. Please note it down fast up to this point. Now what are monomials, what are binomials, what is quadratic polynomial? So beta monomial means one term. This is one term, again I have only one term, again I have only one term. So mono means one. What does mono means? Monomial means only one term in the expression. So in all these 4 expressions I have only one term, right? That is 2x is one term, 3x is another term, minus x is one term, and minus 1 by 2 is one term, right? Now bi means 2. Binomial means 2 terms, 1 and 2. So in one expression I have 2 terms, 2x plus 1. Similarly in this expression again I have 2 terms. One term is 3x plus 2. So there are 2 terms, right? Again in this expression I have 2 terms, and similarly in this expression I have 2 terms. That's why it is also known as binomial. Similarly we have trinomial, quadrinomial, and then polynomial. I think this thing is clear to you all. Now what is quadratic polynomial? Though you are going to learn this topic in class 10th quadratic chapter, but in this class you have just given a gist of this quadratic polynomial. Now so quadratic polynomial is of form ax square plus bx plus c. So you can observe one thing, ax square, bx की power 1, x की power 0. That means when you write a binomial the power of the variable is decreasing by 1, right? Let's say बेटा यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा एक ऑब्जर्वेशन आप लगाइए कि मैंने यहाँ पे बोला मोनोमियल में हमेशा एक टर्म रहेगी बेटा एक्सप्रेशन में, बाइनोमियल्स में 2 टर्म रहेगी बेटा एक्सप्रेशन में हमेशा. अब जो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है बेटा उसका एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है आपके पास ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. तो बेटा यहाँ पे आप एक ऑब्जर्वेशन देख सकते हैं कि जो भी वेरिएबल आपके पास होगा इन द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, द वेरिएबल दैट यू हैव, लेट्स से x, अगर आपके पास x वेरिएबल है बेटा, सो आपने देखा यहाँ पे x की जो मैक्सिमम पावर होगी क्वाड्रेटिक में इट इज इक्वल टू 2. सो ये इसकी मैक्सिमम पावर है बेटा 2. देन 2 माइनस 1 1, 1 माइनस 1 0. सो आप देख रहे हैं जो पावर्स है, जो वेरिएबल की पावर है पॉलिनोमियल में वो 1 से कम होता जा रहा है, राइट? सिमिलरली I can write cubical polynomial or cubic polynomial which can be written as ax cube. Maximum power of cubic polynomial is 3, like 2 is the maximum power of quadratic polynomial. Now beta ax cube plus bx square, 1 less than the earlier one, plus cx1, 1 less than the earlier one, plus dx की power 0. though d x e power 0 can simply be written as equals to d. Beta x e power 0 is equals to 1, so I can write ax square plus bx plus c. Similarly, I can write ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. Now x, okay, x is the variable. Now what is a, b, c and d? Now a, b and c, ठीक है. So what is a? A is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube, like here a is the coefficient of x square. Now what is b? B is the coefficient of x square. Similarly, what is c? Coefficient of x. Then what is d? D is also known as constant polynomial, constant, or you can say constant polynomial, because it's a constant value. बेटा अगर आप c and d को अगर आप देखें तो c और d के साथ x मल्टीप्लीकेशन में नहीं है बेटा. That means you can say c and d are independent of x or independent of variable. That's why c and d. अब देखिए बेटा, इससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि सर यहाँ पे तो आपने कहा c कांस्टेंट है और आप यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि c कोफिशिएंट है x का. बेटा दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक, दिस इज क्यूबिकल. ओके, सो a is coefficient of x square in this expression, b is coefficient of x in this expression, and c is constant in quadratic expression. Please note it down fast, or what you can do is take a screenshot of this. Please note it down fast. Okay, now I have written 4 algebraic expression here. So all these 4 are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression, algebraic expression, algebraic expression, algebraic expression. So all these 4 given examples are algebraic expressions, but algebraic expression as well as it's a polynomial. I said this is also polynomial, but in these 2 cases I am saying these are not a polynomial. Again, not a polynomial. Now why I am saying that these 2 algebraic expressions are polynomial, but these 2 algebraic expressions are not polynomial, the reason behind is the powers of the variables are whole number. बेटा मैंने आपको कहा कि ये जो 2 एक्सप्रेशंस हैं ये पॉलिनोमियल हैं. एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस तो हैं ही हैं, बट वो पॉलिनोमियल्स भी हैं. द रीज़न इज जो उनकी पावर्स है आप देख रहे हैं कि वो फ्रैक्शन में नहीं है, वो होल नंबर में है. 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 2 1 0 लाइक दिस. 3 2 1 0 2 x e power 1 and then x e power 0. सो ये सारे के सारे क्या है बेटा, होल नंबर्स है ना, 2 1 एंड लेट से मैं यहाँ पे x की पावर 0 लिखता तो 0 1 2, यहाँ पे अगर मैं लिखता x की पावर 0 तो 0 1 2 3 होल नंबर. So if an algebraic expression has a variable, has a power of its variable in whole number form, then only you can say that algebraic expression is polynomial, otherwise not. Now see this example. Now considering this example, what is the power of x? I can write like this, x की power 1 plus, when I take this x from denominator to numerator, what I can write, -1. सो बेटा अगर 1/x है, यहाँ पे क्या है, x प्लस 1/x, सो x की पावर 1, ओके, बट 1/x कैन बी रिटन एज x इनवर्स, राइट, x की पावर -1. सो हेयर यू कैन सी द पावर इज नेगेटिव, सो इट इज नॉट अ होल नंबर, not a whole number. That's why this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Similarly here you can write y की power 1/3 plus y square. Again 1/3 is not a whole square. Not a whole number. That's why these two algebraic expressions are not a polynomial and these two expressions are polynomial. Please note it down fast. Now I have taken the very first question of your exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reasons. Okay. Give reasons. Okay. Now the very first expression is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So I can directly say that this is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So I said that this is a polynomial, and the reason behind is powers are in the form of whole number. The powers of the polynomial are in the form of whole number, right? Similarly, अब बेटा यहाँ पे आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, नो नीड टू कंफ्यूज इन दीज एक्सप्रेशंस. अब आप ये नहीं बोलेंगे सर यहाँ पे तो 2 की पावर 1/2 है. ओके, लेट्स से मैं इस क्वेश्चन को आई विल राइट दिस एक्सप्रेशन लाइक दिस, y स्क्वायर प्लस 2 की पावर 1/2. सो नाउ प्लीज टेल मी वेदर इट्स अ पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट. सो it is a polynomial. So the first expression is the polynomial. Okay, now what about the second expression? Okay, y square plus root 2 can be written as y square plus 2 की power 1/2. Is this a polynomial? Yes, this is a polynomial because you need to consider the power of variable, not the constant. बेटा 2 is constant है, 2 एक constant है expression में. आपको जो होल नंबर में जो पावर्स देखनी है वो वेरिएबल्स की देखनी है बेटा. सो y की पावर 2 and 2 is a whole number. That's why you can say whole number. So you can say this is also a polynomial. This is also a polynomial. Now just take the third option, third question. Okay. Now this question can also be represented like this, t की power 1/2 plus t 2 की power 1/2. Again, you just need to observe the power of variable. So what is variable here? T. What is variable here? Y. What is a variable here? X. So x is a variable in this expression, y is a variable in this expression, and t is the variable in this expression. Okay. So t की power 1/2, again 1/2 is not a whole number. So that's why you can say not a whole number. Not a whole number, that's why you can say it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. I think बेटा बहुत easy सा concept है. अगर किसी भी expression में, algebraic expression में, अगर जो powers हैं किसकी, specially किसकी पावर्स को आपने ऑब्जर्व करना है, यू नीड टू ऑब्जर्व द पावर्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. x y t, इन सब की पावर्स अगर बेटा होल नंबर में है, then only you can say this algebraic expression is a polynomial, otherwise not. Okay, now what you will say about this? Now what you will say about this? Again you can say that this algebraic expression can also be represented like this. Again, -1 is not a whole number. -1 is not a whole number. So this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. You can say not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. So this algebraic expression again is not a polynomial. Now, in the last option, in the last part of this question, what you will say? 10 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, 50 is a whole number, and all these three are variables. So this algebraic expression is in 3 variable form. So x is a variable, y is a variable, t is also a variable. So whole numbers, so you can say that this is a polynomial. This algebraic expression is polynomial. So first, third and fifth are polynomial, third and fourth are not polynomial. So this is your answer. I think this thing is clear to you all. Please note it down fast. Now let's see second question, and this question is the last question for the day. Rest we will cover in the next class. Okay, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So here you just need to tell us what will be the coefficient of x square in all these 4 expressions. Okay, now let's take first question. 2x square plus x can also be written as 2 plus 1x. Beta, if nothing is written in front of x square, so 1 can be considered here, right? अगर बेटा x square के आगे like x square के सामने अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है, so if I write 1, तो क्या वो गलत हो जाएगा? x cube अगर उसके सामने कुछ नहीं लिखा है, if I write 1, क्या ये गलत हो जाएगा? Because 1 into x cube is again x cube, 1 into x square is again x square, 1 into x square again x square, 1 into x is x. ये रीजन होता है कि अगर वहां पे कुछ मेंशन नहीं है, so you can simply write 1. Okay, now x square का मैंने बोला था बेटा कोफिशिएंट इज नथिंग बट x square के साथ क्या न्यूमरल वैल्यू है. So here coefficient of x square, so you can write coefficient of x square is equals to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Though it is not asked in the question, but I am giving you additional thing is coefficient of x. अगर वो पूछता बेटा आपसे क्वेश्चन में कि what is the coefficient of x also, then only you can say 1. मैंने हालांकि आपको क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ x square के लिए पूछा गया है, but I have informed you, I have explained you. If the question asked you that what is the coefficient of x, then what will be your answer? 1. Similarly here, coefficient of x square is equals to -1, and if question would ask you what is the coefficient of x cube, then what will be your answer? +1, right? Similarly, coefficient of x square here is pi by 2, and coefficient of x is equals to 1. So this is additional part that I am giving to you in this question. Now, coefficient of x square and coefficient of x. You can say sir coefficient of x is √2, but sir I am not getting x square in this expression. So the coefficient of x square is equals to 0. Why 0? Because I am not getting x square. Because I am not getting any term related to x square, or I can write in this expression plus 0x square. Any doubt? If I add 0x square in this expression, is there any change? अगर बेटा मैं 0 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई ऐड कर देता हूँ इस एक्सप्रेशन में, या किसी स्टूडेंट ने बोला सर प्लस ही क्यों, क्या माइनस कर देते? ओके, माइनस भी आप अगर कर दो या प्लस आप कर दो 0x स्क्वायर, क्या इस एक्सप्रेशन पे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट ऑन दिस एक्सप्रेशन, बिकॉज बेटा एक्स स्क्वायर यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है ही नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव जस्ट रिटन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 0. एनी डाउट इन दिस? So if any student has any sort of doubt in the questions that I have already taught you, or in the questions that I have recently taught you, you can ask me in the Zoom session or in any later session. But for that you need to watch these videos, okay, and you need to submit the homework also. And one more thing, the attendance in your answer is very less, so I just request you, please attend your sessions, attend your Zoom sessions whenever it is scheduled by us. Okay then, till the time till the time we meet in the next class. Thank you, students.